Here's how to add a pixel script in your Shopify checkout settings step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, scroll down and click on Settings. Now from here, click on Checkout. This is where you'll find all the settings related to the checkout page. Scroll down until you see Order Status Page or Additional Scripts. This is the exact spot where Shopify lets you paste tracking codes. Next, go to the ad platform or analytics tool you're using, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, or Google Ads, and copy your pixel script. Come back to Shopify, paste that code right into the additional scripts box. Once you've pasted it, make sure you hit Save at the top or bottom of the page. To make sure everything is working, run a test order or use your ad. Platform's event tester to confirm the pixel is firing correctly. And that's it. You've now added your pixel script to the Shopify checkout page. If this helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. For more quick